Alright, check this out. What's going on, everybody? We're going to do a little bit of some maintenance on the mini bikes, on the little mini bikes. But I got this tripod that I bought recently, and it came with one of these little things, and I haven't really used it, so today's going to be the first day that I use it. I click it, it takes a picture. If I'm in photo, if I'm in video mode, I press it, it starts recording. I click it, it stops recording. So this should step up the game a little bit. We got two mini bikes that we're doing neck replacements. We got that one, Coleman ct200uex. The bearing on the bottom. The bearing on the bottom right there needs to be replaced. And same thing on this one. Got new bearings. We're gonna get it done. Check out the video. Make a little bit of room. I'm gonna take the bike out so I can work on this one. It's already up in the air. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let me give you a little idea of what's going on. So there's a bearing here, that's fine. And there's a bearing that's supposed to be up in here, but that one broke. So we got replacement bearings. Got three brand new ones. This one's one of the original ones. It's still good. Shit, man, my camera. Gotta work on my camera skills. All right, check it out. See what I'm gonna do. Alright, I asked you guys to just please excuse the mess. We just moved into this new house, so it's kind of messy, but I'll get it fixed up. So these bearings, sometimes when you try to take them out, they're a pain in the butt to take out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of grease around the edge before I go ahead and put the bearing in there. That way when I do, if they ever do break and I need to get them out, it should be real easy to get them out. Alright, so here's the grease. I use this for all my bearings and anything I need. Just put a little dab. Spin it around. Should help that bearing slide into that groove as well. And set that down. Now since I'm replacing two bearings, I'm only putting two brand new bearings, but I picked up three the other day. These bearings are expensive. They're 10 bucks a piece. But if you buy them online, I don't know, you pay like $5, a little less. But that's because you're picking them up at a specialty go-kart and parts store. They have everything that you need in stock. You gotta check them out. It's called J-Can Parts in, I believe it's Weslaco, if I'm not mistaken. I'll get all their information and I'll try to give them more shout outs so you can check them out. But this is the third bearing. This bearing didn't need to be replaced. It's just, I took it out because I had planned to go match it up, but I didn't have to. I actually forgot it when I went to Weslaco. But I told them the part number that I needed and he had the part. Check them out, J-Can Parts in Weslaco. So now that these are greased up, all three of them, I'm gonna get ready to put them, insert them in the neck. Clean up my hands a little bit. And I hope I'm recording good, because you know maybe I need to flip the screen. I'm new to this YouTube stuff, but we're gonna get better. I'll tell you that for sure. All right, give me a second. I'll be right with you. Now when you're setting these bearings, you don't want to just hammer them in there with a hammer. You got to make sure you want to get the outer rim, because if you try to hit it with the inner rim, you're liable to damage the bearing inside and cause premature failure. You don't want that. You want to hit it on the outside ring. So what you want to do is you want to get you a socket that pretty much fits right on there. Just a little, that's just a little too big. You want it just slightly. That's probably perfect right there. Let me see, one more lower. Let's see. This one is a 15. That's probably perfect right there. Actually, what you want to do is you want to start off big. That way you get it in there, you can get a good line on it. See how big that is? It'll work perfect. Check it out. Okay, so now this is the new bearing. We're going to go ahead and put this in there. Now when you're getting it in there, you got to remember you don't want to hit it with the hammer real hard. Okay? You can't even hit it. This piece of wood right here. You don't want to hit it. I messed up. I forgot there's a stem that goes inside there, and I forgot to do that. But hey, we live and learn. That's the best way to learn, is you mess up one way and you figure it out. So what I'm gonna do, see, look, this is the stem. This is the stem that was supposed to go in there. But hey, we live and learn, right? We live and learn. I'm gonna have to get this out. Give me a second. Get that back with you. Alright, so I got the bearing out. Took it out. Luckily I put that grease on there. It came out super easy. So what I gotta do is I gotta put this stem. This stem goes in here like this. And then this bearing goes in there. Let's get it again. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, that bearing is set. Let me show you. If you see, it's on there, perfectly flush. So is this one. Now all we gotta do is put on the tire and the front suspension, the handlebars, make sure everything's tight, and go from there. tell you, after you got this tightened up, you got to come back and tighten the V-bolt. Looks good. Looks good. Let's get it. That boy's ready to come off through this. This thing doesn't really need much. It just needed that neck replacement. This on good off right now. We'll take it for a little bit. It feels good before it was played. The whole front end would bounce back and forth. Now everything's nice and tight. This one is done. Dialed in. Might go over it a little bit more. I'm actually probably going to take this headlight off. I hate this headlight. But that's it, man. That's the Coleman ct200uex. We did the neck replacement. I had mentioned that I need to go to Home Depot and go get those washers, but what I'm probably going to end up doing is just throwing in the other bearings inside this neck while the bike just sits here. No point. No, I mean, my hands are already dirty. And we got this bad boy right here. This one's ready to go. I'm gonna do a Predator swap on one of these very soon. We're gonna soup it up. Actually, we're gonna do different things. We're gonna go, instead of the jack shaft. Let me see. Let me show you. Let me give you an idea what's going on. You know what a jack shaft is. We're gonna eliminate this gear reducer. Flip this backwards so we can get those teeth to line up with this back chain. Let me see what happens. I have a feeling it's gonna haul ass. All right, you guys have a great one. Talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video. We got more videos to come. Get you some of that. Woo! Ow! One Texas dad, baby. One Texas dad.